Hey there, let's take a look at how you could create a professional headshot using your photos. On your phone's or computer's browser, go to aistudio.google.com and you should be able to do this for free actually. Uh, you might see an option here saying try Nano Bananas, and if you don't see that, go to the right hand side top here in the browser and whatever name you see here. If you don't see Nano Bananas, go to all the ones that you see there, select on images, and then you should see one that says Nano Banana. And it's not bananas, actually it's banana. And go look for what is called actually go actually type in a prompt that says something to this effect: generate a professional headshot using the attached photo. Click on the plus sign. You could take a photo, upload a file from your phone or computer, or use Google Drive. I have one in Google Drive which I'm going to use. Select that and say insert, and go ahead, and once the photo is uploaded in here, go ahead and send the prompt on the photo to Gemini. Let's see what it comes with. There you go, it's come up with a professional photo. I'm gonna download it and say open, and here is what it came with. Let me close that out and say let's say, can you change the shirts to red color and maybe the suit to black? Let's see if it does that. There you go, it did that too. I'm gonna download that quickly and open it up. There you go, a black suit with a red shirt. Let me close that out. Can you create an avatar using this photo? And I'm gonna use the photo from before, the original one. Upload it or send the prompt to AI Studio. Let's see what it does this time. Animated avatar, please. Haha, that's funny. Put on sunshades. There you go, it's put on some sunshades on the avatar. But basically what I wanted to show you is how you could use text prompts and create a professional headshot photo, or basically make any edits to an existing photo that you have. Go ahead and give it a shot if you haven't done so yet, and it's quite some fun. Let me know how it goes. Thank you for watching.